Today we're going to learn how to use Google Slides. So the first thing you're going to do is go to your Google Drive and you're going to go to New. You're going to click New and go all the way down to Google Slides. From there, this little arrow will allow you to choose a blank presentation, or you can use a template. I like to use a template because it gives you a start and then you can always change things if you want to. So we're going to choose the book report template. Now that the template is loaded, we can make changes. So, anytime we want to change the text, all we do is double click, and then you can make it say whatever you want. So you would put your book title here. And then, in this box, you would do the same thing to put your name. Now, if you want to add another text box and put the date, you can do that. So up here in your toolbar, you can find all the different things that you can do. So here is a text box, and you just draw the text box where you want it. And then you do the same thing. So you would type in date. Then you can change the colors of the letters. When you go to the font, it's not there, so you can go to more. And then this will give you all the different things you can do with your text. So you can change the text color. You can change the font size. You can center your text so that it matches the other text. All of that you can find under the More over here. You can also add borders or change what your text looks like. So if you want to add a border, this is the border color, this is the border weight, and this is what you want your border to look like. So we can choose this one. We can choose color. And we have to choose a weight. So if we want it to be really thick, then we would choose a higher weight. If we want it to be thin, we would choose a lower weight. And now we have a border. So when you choose a template, it gives you a set of slides that already exist. And you can use them if you want to, but you can also edit them. So let's say you want this to be a different color than the color that it's already listed as. If you go to background, you can actually change the background. So you can change the color. Let's make it our green again. You can change the image. You can change the theme if you want to, or add things to the theme. We're just going to change the color for now. And then you can put the information about your book, or you can change it to whatever text you want it to say. And so it gives you all these preset slides. You can also change the order of the slides, and you can remove slides. If you choose slide, it allows you to do all of those things. You can add a new slide, you can duplicate the same slide, you can delete one, skip one, move it to a different place. So if I move it up, now this slide is ahead of this slide. If you're creating your Google Slides as a presentation, then you can also add notes here for what you would like to say during your presentation. And then when you're ready to present, it will present from whichever slide you've selected. So you have to remember to go back to the first slide before you choose present. And then when you go to present, it will present your Google Slides for you. You can move them manually, or you can let it play. You can hit exit, or you can use the escape key on your keyboard. And that's how you use Google Slides.